If you're stuck choosing between the Sleep Number P5 and the TEMPUR-Pedic Tempur Cloud, here's the quick breakdown. Both are great for pressure relief, pair well with adjustable bases, and give you that contouring feel, but the big difference is in how they support you. Sleep Number uses adjustable air chambers, so you can change the firmness anytime, even split it for couples with different needs. Tempur-Pedic, on the other hand, is all about memory foam. The Tempur Cloud has that classic slow-moving, body-hugging feel, but you're locked into one firmness once you buy. The P5 is versatile for all positions since you can adjust it, while the Tempur Cloud sits at medium firm, great for back and side sleepers, not ideal for stomach sleepers. Tempur-Pedic also wins on motion isolation, so it's quieter for couples. Edge support is similar on both. Price-wise, Sleep Number P5 runs about $2,100 for a queen, while the Tempur Cloud is closer to $1,400. So if you want maximum customization and tech, go with Sleep Number. If you want classic memory foam at a better price, Tempur-Pedic is the better deal. Do your own research.